Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn why Telnet is insecure for your lab and why now Telnet is deprecated or now is not included in your operating system install installer, like for Windows or for Ubuntu. First, this is the topology. This is my Windows 8 and this is my Ubuntu. And my Ubuntu is running on VMware, but you can imagine they connected to the same LAN switch or bridge. My Ubuntu is running bridge mode for its networking. So I will if config, and this is my Ubuntu IP address, and for my Windows IP address is 192. You can see 192.168.43.157. You can see that they are on the same IP address segment. Okay, we will start now. Open your PuTTY as your Telnet client. I forgot to mention I already installed Telnet server. So now Ubuntu acts like Telnet server, and this is acting like Telnet client. I have installed uh, Telnet D program or package on Ubuntu, and I have installed PuTTY on Windows 8 as Telnet client. So right now I have already configured the Telnet D on the Ubuntu. Now I will connect to Telnet to Ubuntu using PuTTY. Remember my IP address. So now open the PuTTY, and my IP address for my Ubuntu is 144, and click other. So the port is now changed to 23. So open Wireshark, your program Wireshark. I forgot to mention that we will install Wireshark in the Telnet client here. You can also pretend that there is uh, some kind of man in the middle here that that capture all your data, but we will not use man in the middle. We just install the packet capture software on the Telnet client. You can also the packet capture software it can also be installed on MITM man in the middle computer also to capture the conversation between the client and server. So back to your WhatsApp, click Wi-Fi and apply uh, TCP. Apply a filter TCP source port is equal 23 and IP dot host IP source underscore host is equal 192 my 157 my Windows 8 IP. So basically we will capture a packet that is going to going out to the Ubuntu server, which is have source port is something and destination port is 23. So we will capture that using this filter. So now click enter. So now there is quiet conversation. There is no packet in or out captured by WhatsApp. It's time to activate the or open the Telnet connection to the server. You can see there is now okay, there is something wrong. I will try for 147. Okay, this is a WP destination port, and you see now. Okay, back to the putty, and I will type my username login, and I will type my password, and then I will type something, for instance some comment. I will type ls or dear. Now I'm back to the Warsack, and now it's time to right click on any packet on this Warsack window section, click on follow and click on TCP stream. Now I can see that this is my login thoughts, and my password perjuangan is already is captured, and there is and then also two comments also captured, and also the output of each comment. This is ls comment, output of ls comment, this, and this is dir, and this is output of dir comment. You can also capture anything, so that's why in plain text, that's why Telnet is insecure, because it it not encrypt your data transmitted between you and your server, or between client server. That's why it can be captured by a software, and it can be played like this. So the conversation is now uh, revealed to us without encryption, and it also can be saved to any document that you like, to text file, for instance. Can also open the output also. This is the output. You see, you can see this is my login, this is my password. You can see in plain text. Okay, I will replay it. This is how you can save this, and type any tab output or any time, and type txt. I forgot to type txt, and will let us. Okay, that's it for demonstration why telnet is not secure to use in your network anymore, especially when you are connected to the server from the internet, which is any the provider or any person can capture your data like this. This is just demo using in LAN, local area network, but the same also happen when you connect to your server using internet. Thank you for watching. If you find this is useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Thank you.